Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact Gmail address and that the code was sent to that account. Small typos cause most failures. Once done, check spam, promotions, social, and all mail folders because filters often hide messages. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection and correct date/time. Authentication servers reject mismatched timestamps. Also update the Gmail app or your browser. Outdated clients can block verification flows. These first actions eliminate the simple but common causes fast. Next, inspect the incoming delivery. Open the message headers or request sender delivery logs to see if Gmail accepted the mail. If you can't find headers, ask the sender to recheck SBF, DKIM, and DMARC alignment because failed authentication keeps codes out. Temporarily disable forwarding rules, filters, or blocked addresses that could route mail away. Make sure Google account security prompts or two-step verification settings aren't pausing delivery. Sometimes alternate verification channels are blocking the code email. For final fixes, ask to resend the code, clear Gmail app cache, or try incognito mode or a different browser to rule out client issues. If that fails, use an alternate recovery method, secondary email, phone SMS, or authenticator app, because these bypass email delivery. Make sure to record exact timestamps and sender info before contacting Google support so they can trace the message. If all else fails, escalate to support and provide headers, delivery times, and any error messages to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.